Does your operation struggle to keep setup information up to date from one machine to another, season to season? Are you concerned with the accuracy of your documentation data due to manual setup data entry in the cab? We can help. Available from John Deere, a seamless data sharing tool which allows your enabled fleet and operations center to maintain an aligned list of setup information. Let's talk about Data Sync Setup. Get started by enrolling in Data Sync Setup through Operations Center Web. There are 4 simple steps to establish the settings that you want your automatic syncing to follow. First is Learn. This step walks you through exactly what will take place during initial sync for the displays that you will later choose to enroll. The system will compare the compatible setup information on enrolled displays to the setup data that is already present in your Operations Center organization. Next, you will be prompted to review the setup information that is present in your Operations Center. Up-to-date, accurate setup data will be key to the value you see when using Data Sync Setup. Take the time to clean up your setup data during this step. Then you will establish import options, choosing Available or Archive for each category of setup information. This determines how data will sync from enabled displays into Operations Center after the initial sync step is complete. Finally, select which displays in your organization should be enrolled to actively sync setup data following the settings you established in the previous steps. Click Enable Displays and you will notice one common setup list present in Operations Center and on those displays. If you already enrolled displays in Data Sync Setup, it is important to revisit the Data Sync tool in Operations Center from time to time. Make any necessary adjustments to import settings to ensure that your setup data flows into Operations Center as desired. Consider enrolling additional displays in Data Sync. Make sure that the display software on your enrolled fleet is up to date to get the most value out of this tool. New display updates unlock additional functionality and new setup items that are compatible to sync. So, check if the list of compatible setup data has expanded, allowing you to opt in and begin syncing new setup information as well. When enrolled in Data Sync Setup, use the display to access Data Sync Setup in the Status Center. Here you can verify sync status and view the transaction log to see a list of setup items that are syncing. Shift your farm from a manual data management process to a shared automated system that updates on the go as you make changes. Connected, centralized, automated. Data Sync Setup.